Hi, I'm Devin Schutz, and welcome again to the Money Minute. I've often heard people describe the stock market as a casino where you can lose all your money. In the video today, we're going to explore if this is in fact true. Now, stock markets exist around the world and give access to invest in companies that are listed on them. The most famous and largest of the world's stock exchanges are in America. These are followed by Europe, Japan, China, and India. Our own JSE sits at the 19th place for size around the globe. Now, these exchanges give investors the opportunity to be part owners in some of the greatest companies on the planet. But investors who are looking to make a quick profit on a stock exchange or have invested in a company that's lost a lot of value are more likely to think the stock exchange as risky and gambling. However, there are two key actions investors can take to protect themselves when investing in the stock market. Firstly, they need to have a long-term perspective, and this is not new for those who listen to the Money Minute. The day-to-day movements of the stock market are volatile and can just as easily be up as they can be down. The stock market rewards patient people. For periods of 7 years or longer, the volatility has much less impact on their investment, and stock markets generally move significantly higher over time. The second action for investors is to not put all of their eggs in one basket. Now, while markets go up over time, not all shares do, and investors need to allocate their capital across a well-diversified basket of shares to protect themselves against this. So if investors adhere to both of these actions, history shows they are likely to be well rewarded. Over the last 20 years, investors in global equities have grown their capital 5 times more than those investors who have stuck cash in the bank. So while the volatility of the stock market is uncomfortable, it is important to manage the risk and not avoid it. Speak to your financial advisor who will tailor the appropriate amount of exposure to shares for your investments. Thanks as always for watching. Have a great week.